Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. To compute the average as a double, the division must occur using floating point arithmetic rather than integer division. Choice C, double a plus b divided by 2. First, cast the sum to double so the division produces a double result. For example, if a equals 3 and b equals 4, then double a plus b by 2 becomes 7.0. 2, which is 3.5. Choice A plus b divided by 2 uses integer division, so 7 divided by 2 evaluates to 3. Choice B, double a plus b divided by 2, does not average the two values, it adds it to half of b. Choice D, double a plus b divided by 2, computes b divided by 2 first using integer division, then adds a, so it is. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.